Hello everyone and welcome to the Maths Live channel. Let us solve some more examples on general method or for the solution of linear differential equations and finding particular integrals. So here the example is solved d square plus 5d plus 6 operating on y is equal to e raised to minus 2x into secant square x in bracket 1 plus 2 tan x. So here secant square x is there. So into 1 plus 2 tan x, derivative of each other. Derivative of tan x is your secant square x. So here d square plus 5d plus 6 operating on y. So find complementary function first. Find roots d square plus 5d plus 6. Yes, what are the roots for this? The roots are minus 2 and minus 3. So CF is C1 e raised to minus 2x plus C2 e raised to minus 3x. Okay. Now let us find particular integral. Particular integral is equal to 1 upon d square plus 5d plus 6 operating on e raised to minus 2x into this secant square x in bracket 1 plus 2 tan x. Sec square plus 1 plus 2 tan x. Now here we are going to use, because for sec or tan we do not have shortcut formulae, so we are going to use our general method. So I can write here d plus 3 and d plus 2, correct, from this e raised to minus 2x secant square x in bracket 1 plus 2 tan x. Apply d plus 2, so 1 upon d plus 3. If I apply d plus 2, I get e raised to minus 2x integration of e raised to 2x. Have you remembered the formulas? Opposite sign, e raised to minus 2x integration of e raised to 2x into e raised to minus 2x secant square x in bracket 1 plus 2 tan x dx. Okay, e raised to 2x and e raised to minus 2x get cancelled. So what remain? 1 upon d plus 3 e raised to minus 2x integration of e raised to 2x get cancelled secant square x into 1 plus 2 tan x dx. So put, you can put directly also 1 plus 2 tan x is equal to t. So put, or simply tan x is equal to t. So tan x equal to t means secant square x dx is equal to dt. So I get here 1 upon d plus 3 e raised to minus 2x 1 upon d plus 3 e raised to minus 2x integration of secant square x into dx is dt and tan x is t. So I get 1 plus 2t dt. So my answer is 1 upon d plus 3 e raised to minus 2x in bracket t plus t square by 2, 2 get cancelled, t plus t square. Now what is value of t? Value of t is tan x. Substitute here. So 1 upon d plus 3 e raised to minus 2x in bracket tan x plus tan square x. Tan x plus tan square x. Now apply this d plus 3. So it is e raised to minus 3x integration of e raised to 3x, then e raised to minus 2x, then tan x plus tan square x dx. Okay. E raised to 3x and e raised to minus 2x. What remain? E raised to x. Write down that. So here e raised to minus 3x integration of e raised to x in bracket tan x plus tan square x dx. Now tan square x we can write tan square x is equal to 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square. So, I get here secant square x minus 1, substitute the value here. So, e raised to minus 3x integration of e raised to x in bracket tan x plus secant square x minus 1 dx, right. I have used here tan square x is equal to secant square x minus 1. Okay. Now, I have to use one formula here, formula of integration. Everybody knows that integration of e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. F of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e raised to x into f of x. Yes, you have to remember this formula to solve example based on general method. E raised to x in bracket f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e raised to x into f of x. So, that formula I have to use. For that, I have to separate f of x and f dash of x. Now, here e raised to minus 3x integration of e raised to x in bracket, here tan x, what is derivative of tan x? Secant square x. So, it is there. What is derivative of minus 1? 0. So, tan x minus 1 I take in one bracket, right, and secant square x is the separate term. So, what is derivative of tan x minus 1 now? Derivative of tan x minus 1 is secant square x. So, I get a formula e raised to x f of x plus f dash of x is equal to e raised to x f of x. So, our answer is e raised to minus 3x here dx, e raised to minus 3x into e raised to x tan x minus 1. So, our answer is e raised to minus 2x into tan x minus 1. This is our particular integral. Now, you can complete your answer writing CF and PI. One more example we will take.